friends, my name is Shobha Thapa. I have been working in the field of education from last 5 years. So far I have seen many persons struggling every day to get command over their English language. In the beginning they are very excited, but when it comes to grammar they just get stuck because they take it as a great obstacle in their learning, because it has so many rules and a vast vocabulary, which is actually correct. Now you don't have to worry because I am here to tackle all your problems in grammatical English. Grammatical English is a little bit different from spoken English. In the grammatical English you have to follow so many rules and regulations, while in spoken English the main motto is only to make the people understood what you want to say. Hello friends, welcome to Easy Study Online. So our topic for today is tense. Tense कति प्रकारका हुन्छन्? Present tense, past tense and future tense. So present भनेको हाम्रो वर्तमान काल, past भनेको हाम्रो भूतकाल र future भनेको हाम्रो भविष्य काल. So कालका तीन प्रकार, present, past and future. Now each tense has 4 parts. Number 1, indefinite. Number 2, continuous. Number 3, perfect. And number 4, perfect continuous. Present, past र future यी भए 3 प्रकार कालका. Okay. After that हामीसँग प्रत्येकको 4 वटा पार्ट हुने गर्दछ. प्रेजेन्ट को 4 वटा पार्ट, पास्ट को 4 वटा पार्ट र फ्युचर को 4 पार्ट्स गर्दाखेरि हामीसँग टोटल 12 प्रकारको कालहरू हुन हुन्छ. So start from the simple present tense. For example हामीले प्रेजेन्ट लिए भने हाम्रो हुन जान्छ प्रेजेन्ट इन्डेफिनिट टेन्स, प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स, present perfect tense र present perfect continuous tense. यस्तै past लाई लिँदाखेरि past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Same for the future. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So simple भाषामा भन्नु पर्दा कालका 3 प्रकार हुन्छन्, present, past and future. We have 3 kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense, and each has 4 parts which we call indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Indefinite भनेको work happens but the time is not given. कार्य हुन्छ तर समय निश्चित हुँदैन. कन्टिन्युअस भन्दाखेरि वर्क इज कन्टिन्यू, कार्य भइरहेको छ तर यसमा पनि टाइम निश्चित छैन. पर्फेक्ट, वर्क इज डन, कार्य भइसकेको छ. र पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस भन्नाले कार्य स्टार्ट भइसकेको छ अगाडि नै तर अहिले पनि जारी छ, अहिले पनि कन्टिन्यू छ. सो इन्डेफिनिट वर्क ह्यापन्स, कन्टिन्युअस means work is continue, perfect means work is done, perfect continuous means work is still continue. यसलाई एकचोटि फेरि हेरौँ. इन्डेफिनिट भनेको हाम्रो कार्य हुन्छ मात्रै भनेको हुन्छ तर कहिलेसम्म हुन्छ त्यो टाइमहरु के पनि दिएको हुँदैन. फर एक्जाम्पल आई डू माई वर्क, मैले आफ्नो कार्य गर्छु. आई डू माई वर्क, यसमा कार्य हुन्छ भनेको छ. आई डू माई वर्क, मैले आफ्नो कार्य गर्छु तर कहिलेसम्म गर्छु र अहिले गरिरहेको छु कि छैन त्यो क्लियर छैन. जस्ट उसले भनेछ आई डू माई वर्क, मैले आफ्नो काम गर्छु. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड इन्डेफिनिट. यो भनेको हाम्रो प्रेजेन्ट इन्डेफिनिट को एक्जाम्पल हो. मैले एक्जाम्पल सबै प्रेजेन्ट को दिएछु. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कन्टिन्युअस. हियर वर्क इज कन्टिन्यू, कार्य यहाँ भइरहेको छ. सो I am doing my work. I am doing my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गरिरहेको छु. सो सबैभन्दा सिम्पल हुन्छ हामीको कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स. यसमा कार्य गरिरहेको छु भनेर उले भनेको छ. ओके, नाउ पर्फेक्ट. वर्क इज डन. कार्य भइसकेको छ. पर्फेक्ट. वर्क इज डन. I have done my work. I have done my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गरिसकेको छु. So the work is complete here. Now perfect continuous tense. I have been doing my work since morning. I have been doing my work since morning. मैले आफ्नो कार्य बिहानैदेखि गरिरहेको छु. But still it is continue and still it is not done. Okay, so the work is continuing here. It is not completed. So we have tense. Tense has three kinds: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each has four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. यो भनेको सबैको लागि सेम हुन्छ. तपाईले अगाडि प्रेजेन्ट जोड्दिनुस्, प्रेजेन्ट को लागि हुन्छ. पास्ट जोडेर लेख्नु भयो भने पास्ट को लागि हुन्छ र फ्युचर जोडेर लेख्नु भयो भने फ्युचर को लागि हुन्छ. सो each has four parts: indefinite, where work happens; continuous, work is continue; perfect भनेको work is done already; and perfect continuous, कार्य स्टार्ट भइसकेको छ तर कम्प्लिट अझै भएको छैन. अहिले पनि त्यो कार्य जारी छ. सो एक्जाम्पल हामी एकचोटि फेरि हेर्छौँ. नम्बर 2, I am doing my work. I am doing my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गर्दैछु. If we make this sentence in the past, we will say I was doing my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गरिरहेको थिएँ. नम्बर 3, I have done my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गरिसकेको छु. If we say this sentence in past, we will say I had done my work. मैले आफ्नो कार्य गरिसकेको थिएँ. And the last, I have been doing my work since morning. मैले आफ्नो कार्य बिहानैदेखि गरिरहेको छु. Now if we make this sentence in the past perfect continuous, we will say I had been doing my work since morning. So today we discussed about tense only. Tense has three kinds: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each has four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. These four things we can add with the present, with the past and with the future. So for today that's it only. In the next session we will discuss about furthermore about present, indefinite tense and for others tense also. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Easy Study Online. Thank you.